This is Carob Bread. We're going to use a self-rising white flour, carob flour, which has a beautiful chocolatey taste and it's so beautiful. Sparkling water and salt, and these are the only ingredients that you need to make the best gluten-free bread ever. Let's start. The first thing I do is have my coffee. So nice. Okay, so measuring cup, and I'm going to use 2 cups of self-rising flour, and second cup This is so easy, it's unbelievable. You don't have to proof or knead, no proofing, no kneading, just these ingredients, and allow them to breathe and to make beautiful, beautiful bread. I'm going to make small buns. Second, okay. Here. A pinch of salt. One, two. For now, it's 2. We'll check later. Always start with 2 cups of sparkling water. Probably you're going to need more, but it's going to depend of the season and the country you are located. The dough is going to be very smooth, like I'm going to show you. This month's bread is Carob Bread and is one of my favorite ones, and it's just really special. But don't forget to follow the playlists and to check the 12 months of different flours that I'm presenting, all gluten-free and dairy-free. I would like to thank you so much for your lovely likes and comments, because it helps so much the channel to grow. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. I'm going to use it. I have one more, but I'm going to add just a little lime, just for you to see. Okay, in the meantime, I need to bring it over. I learned my lesson and I'm going to lock it properly. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please don't forget to follow the link above. Like this. This is the way I want to see my dough. When I bake, I always add water so the stove is a perfectly humid and moist environment for my bread and cakes to rise beautifully. Look at this! Am I right? Yay!
It's too soft.
Getting ready for the day with my freshly baked bread. So nice. It is really dark. Smells so good. It feels like a little bit chocolatey. It's going to be crunchy. I like it. Enjoy your day.